I cannot tell you how much I dislike this roundabout. Nobody knows how to take it. Are you coming or I'm going? All right, I'm going. Nice rotating right there. All right, guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. We're about to go into my garage, and we're about to talk about this ram mount X grips, because the other day I was riding, and out of nowhere I feel something between my legs. I'm like, whoa, what is that? I look down, and it's my cell phone. Bless the good Lord, only by his mercies, that phone didn't, I don't know, hit the pavement or something. So again, look, I'm missing this. This thing is all ripped up. So I got some new parts. We're going to go into the garage and talk about it. All right, guys, back in the garage. Hope you guys are having a great day. So here's my Ram mount. And I'm going to tell you, I love this thing. I hate this thing. It is what it is. So let me just tell you exactly what I like. First of all, you know what? It's built like a tank. In some aspects, some other aspects are not built like a tank, right? And you know what? Ram is a pretty famous, I guess, or popular company. So you have this arms right here that, as you see, has some springs in there. This thing is built like a tank. And again, you have little balls that, you know, like little attachments that you attach to wherever you want. I'm going to show you the one that I have attached to my bars, but you could put it in your crutch, in your crash bars, in your saddlebag protectors, wherever you could put that thing you could attach it to, right? And they sell multiple different mounts. I actually have one that I actually attached to the controllers of the motorcycle. I took them off because now I got chrome controllers, but before I used to have that, right? And again, you're gonna have that little ball, and then that little ball, it's gonna stick in there, and then you're gonna be able to tie it down. But not only you could tie it down, then you have the flexibility to move it around. There's different sizes. This is the smaller, not the smaller, this is like in the middle size. I have one smaller than this, right? And then you have this mount right here, which again, as you can see, I'm missing one of the rubbers, and this right here is completely broken. And you guys saw from my introduction to the video that my phone actually fell and I almost lost my phone. Now, this thing right here it has some flaws, all right? And again, this is the little ball that I was talking about. I'm kind of going to show you how it looks. So obviously you attach this to this. You see this right there? And then you have the flexibility to, let me make sure I'm on focus, to move this around, right? The other part will be attached to the other ball. And again, it's not just a cell phone. Once you have this system right here, you could attach it to, you could attach multiple different things. Again, you guys can see that right there. So again, you could set it up and you could kind of have it like this, or you could kind of have it a little bit more facing down. Again, you have that flexibility. So the whole concept is great. It's built really good. However, the round mount X grip, which you see it right there, here's the couple flaws that it has. Obviously, I don't remember how much money I paid for it, but I paid a good amount of money not to get rid of it. I'm going to continue to use it. First of all, you have these little things, right? And they actually come out. You guys saw how that came out. But son, when you know they sell parts for this, you know it potentially is going to disappear. So again, I bought that, which I'm going to be replacing in this video. And one of them came out. I got 3. I'm missing one. Obviously, I had to buy another one, right? So that's going to be something that you may have to replace. And then here's this little rubber. So I'm going to show you how this works for you guys to kind of get an idea. So again, it kind of grips the phone. That's kind of like the X grip factor. But the thing about it is that you have to be really careful with the cell phone that you get, because sometimes it presses the sizes. And as you guys know, when you press the 2 sizes in some of the iPhone, you may call the police or you may activate the emergency things that the phone has. In fact, it happens to me twice, and I actually called the cops twice, which was pretty embarrassing. So be very careful. I disconnected that and I don't use that no more. The other thing is that you have the rubber piece that is back there, and now the rubber piece is supposed to go, you know, across. So it kind of sits like that. And as you can see, look, I'm already pressing a bunch of numbers to do this video. And as you can see, it's right here attached. And obviously, I cannot put the other side because you know what? They're broken. So I had to buy other rubbers. So again, not a horrible deal, but you know what? I had to buy it, and obviously they sell them in Amazon. Everything, you know, they sell everything in Amazon. I'll link some of the stuff below for you guys in case you guys want to check it out. Here's some of the other mounts that came in here for you guys to check it out as well. I mean, the amount of choices that they have and the amount of things that they have, it's pretty crazy. You could figure out how to put cameras in many different locations. So here's the rubber. Let me put it on camera. So obviously mine broke. I mean, it lasted several months. I don't know when I got it. I got to look back in the videos, but it did last quite a while. But again, you know, it's one of those things that I was hoping that I never had to replace, but I did have to replace it. And again, I wasn't really being careful about it or anything like that. So maybe that has something to do with that. Again, I'm probably going to be more careful with this one. Here's the old one. You can see it all ripped. Does kind of sucks a little bit. Here we go. Now we got a brand new one in there. So I got the rubbers right here. Apparently it comes with some glue. I wasn't aware. I don't remember putting glue in the other one. Maybe that's why they fell, but I am going to use that now. I just glue everything back in there, and I'm going to tell you, be very, very careful how you glue this. I don't know, put some glove or something, because I got some in my finger, and I didn't realize how strong this is going to be. I mean, it feels like it's solid there. So overall, I really like the mount in some kind of ways. I love it. I hate it. You know, I like the fact that I can move it around. I like the fact that I could put it wherever I want. I like the fact that I can move it in my bars, put it in different locations. I can install this cell phone, but at the same time, I could put one of my GoPros here. As long as we have the same bowl system, it's good. Looks to me pretty strong in some parts, but then again, it has some flaws in other parts, such as the rubber and the little things coming out, the little, you know, rubber things, whatever they call here, coming out. So again, take it for what it is, but you know, Ram seems to have a good reputation, but it's not going to be the perfect setup for some of you guys out there. I'm going to continue to use it because I already got it, and I'm not going to be looking for another one. So let me know what you think. If you guys got one of this, put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.